Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel Case Study Zone. This is the fourth tutorial of Probability, chapter 15th of standard 9th. In last session, we discussed about example 2 and in this session, we will discuss about example 3. So, don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, example 3, from your textbook and obviously homework. So starting with the first basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. It's homework answer. First question is, two coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times. Means total outcomes 500. And we get two heads 205 times. One head 175 times and no head 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. Here we have two coins and tossed simultaneously 500 times. So total outcomes, I already told that it is 500 and possible outcomes for two heads is 205. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 205 divided by 500. 205 means 41 into 5 and 500 means 100 into 5. So 5 cut. So 41 divided by 100 equals to 0.41. Now for one head equals to 175. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 175 divided by 500. So 175 equals to 5 into 7 into 5 and 500 equals to 5 into 20 into 5. So 5 cut. So 7 divided by 20 and 7 divided by 20 equals to 0.35. Now third, for no head equals to 120. And here also number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is probability equals to 120 divided by 500. So 0 first of all cut, otherwise you can directly do like 2 into 6 into 10 divide by 2 into 25 into 10. So 2, 10 cut. So 6 divided by 25 equals to 0.24. Go to the next. Second, two coins are tossed simultaneously 100 times and we get two heads 25 times, one head 25 times and no head 50 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. Here we have two coins and tossed simultaneously 100 times means total outcomes 100 and possible outcomes for first one two heads equals to 25. And every time probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 25 divided by 100. So answer is 0.25. Now second, one head equals to 25. So answer is same 0.25. Got it? And third, for no head equals to 50. So probability equals to 50 divided by 100. Right? Here formula is every time same. So 50 divided by 100 equals to 0.5. Got it? If you have any question about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Go to the next. It's example 3. A dice is thrown 1000 times with the frequencies. Frequencies means possible outcomes for the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as given in the following table. Here outcomes are 1, 2, 6 and frequencies means possible outcomes 179, 150, 157, 149, 175 and 190. So there are 6 sides in dice which are thrown in 1000 times. So total outcomes 1000 and possible outcomes for number 1 equals to 179. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 179 divided by 1000. So answer is 0.179. Here formula is same. So number 2 equals to 150. So probability equals to 150 divided by 1000. So answer is 0.150. Now number 3 equals to 157. So probability equals to 157 divided by 1000. So answer is 0.157. Now go to the next. Here fourth, number 4 equals to 149. So probability equals to 149 divided by 1000 equals to 0.149. Now fifth, number 5, 175. So probability equals to 175 divided by 1000. So answer is 0.175. And for number 6 equals to 190. So probability equals to 190 divided by 1000. So answer is 0.190. Now here addition of all means 0.179, 0.150, 0.157, 0.149, 0.175 and 0.190 equals to 1. So these 3 trials covered all these trials. Got it? Means addition of all these equals to 1. Got it? So go to the next. It's homework time. First, a dice is thrown 2000 times with the frequencies means possible outcomes. For the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as given in the following table. Outcome 1, 2, 6 and frequencies are 190, 175, 1057 means 1057, 149, 250 and 179. Best of luck guys for the homework. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.